So, girl, we're gonna go to the airport first to pick up my ninang. I think, yeah, my brows, and then we're gonna go back home, I think, and then I'm gonna go to the beach with my friends. Okay, bye.
Hi, Tita.
Huh?
Hi, Tita.
Hi.
المحطة الأخيرة
Maputi. Tingnan mo, oh. Gusto sa liit ko. Liit ko yellow.
Where are we going? We're going to MOE.
The final destination of this train is UAE station between Dubai Metro Red and Green Line.
I'll drink here.
المحطة القادمة هي Equity. The final destination of this train is
My
Malapit
bagin.
na ako magkaroon ng account ng G.
Pero,
Uy, 4 na beses niya ako tinignan. Hmm?
Pichak. Pichak.
Ito pala, diba ano? Kailangan magda-dance. Okay, follow me.
Tay. Parang tatay yung forma niyo.
Pagputi ka, Ethan.
Ethan, we're white. We're all wearing white. White.
White sa puwet.
Ethan.
Oh my God, the brain! What? Oh my God, ako pa siya dito. Oh, hindi na. Hotdog yun ako, hotdog. Ito hotdog ko.
Very demure. Very nice.
Made so many last night.
Ito tumabas.
Where's my plate? I threw it already.
Wait lang po pa ako. Wait lang.
Oo, ubusin mo na!
Hindi ko maubos lahat.
Welcome to Ethan's Corner.
How are you guys going to go home?
Yeah,
What?
you were in here before.
When?
When you went
prom
to
practice.
prom practice, yeah, that one.
Which one?
Prom practice.
What
Grade
prom
10.
practice?
Grade
When?
10.
We had practice?
And you were with... Yeah.
Don't remember.
I'm recording this.
The best. Or is this Kite Beach or is this Jumeirah?
Sky Beach. We have a banana.
Yay! Thank you pa! Thank you pa! Yay, we're going swimming. Saan tayo? I have no idea.
Down here where it's more flat.
Oh, you can't see. Adulting. Bye!
Ay, Diyos, ang ganda ng ano mo. Uy, napunta sa
Girl,
mata mo.
it's only been a few minutes since, like, 10 minutes.
I don't feel
since we
protected. I
came.
feel like I put someone.
But it's already freaking hot, and I want to go
Wait, are you
home.
recording? Look at my legs. Pakita mo legs ko. Oh, my
I'm
God,
posting
so
this.
sexy.
Alright, I want to go home na.
Post it.
Ay! I want to go home.
Anong gagawin mo dyan, Ethan? Toilet?
Oh, I just want to
Hold on.
Ay, napunta siya sa sand.
He's digging a hole.
What's that? Oh, it's a jet ski.
What are you doing?
Ano yan? Wait
Parang
lang,
may shorts.
maganda yung lighting. Picture.
His freaking donut short.
Yeah, why
And
not?
then a freaking compression shirt.
There's a kid on your tip.
Okay, let's go. I said go on my shoulders.
Go!
Guys, it's coming out.
Whoa, what do you mean? You're gonna poop?
Put Hindi siya naka-wide?
Ha? Hindi. Naka-narrow siya.
What? It's a leg ko! Iton!
Yung camera. Tanga ang puti.
Dito ka sa akin. Dilaw siya.
Yeah.
Ang cute.
Like your pee.
Like my wait, no.
Hi!
My coochie.
Hi again! He has a foot fungus.
I will inspect it.
What the fuck?
He has a foot fungus.
Aray! Uy!
Guys. Oh. Whoa, who's going my hair? I can't
Ay, kaya ko pala. Dito. Kami ni Jess.
It's video.
Yeah, I know. I will just screenshot it. Sino mo? Purple na siya. Giving BTS. What? May umihi. Why is it warm? Not me. Eat on me. Eat on me.
Yeah, drown you both.
Oh no, my hair.
Oh no, guys, I'm gonna drown. I'm on my knees.
I don't know why he's lying.
Taas ka, girl. Wapa yung short. What an outfit on. Hey, all the girls out there. This is me against Ethan.
My eye's burning.
Same. Paka-pink natin. It's so cute. Shout out to Sam, to Andrew, to Jerry,
Keisha,
to Rin,
To live.
Nayeli.
and our best friend.
Uy, ang ganda dito. Picturean niyo ako.
The view is nice. but the person you're taking a picture of is very mean. See? She just showed it on camera.
Ayan.
Jasmine Angeli caught on camera saying child.
Ayan. Ang ganda as in. Kita mo ba yung sarili mo? Ang ganda no?
I can't see. We're gonna test if Aljun's waterproof.
I bet it is.
There's a girlfriend.
It's waterproof.
See? Go swim, Aljun.
Swim, Aljun.
Swim, Aljun. Go, Jun. You're doing it. You're doing it. Don't leave. He's waterproof. He's waterproof, guys. I am not going deep. Help! Aljun's picture. Let's go, Aljun. We're gonna bury you. We're gonna bury Aljun. Here. Okay. Yay!
Wait, keep doing it?
Wow! Oh. Sabay. It's waterproof. Wait, we need to clean June. June, clean your ass. Good job. I just cleaned Aljun.
Oh gosh. I did this to you.
Oh, here. Your hair touch.
Right.
Oh my god.
What's up, vlog?
We finished swimming. We're gonna ligo now. Where's Judy? Is that Judy? Oh, it's not Judy. Oh, my mom's calling.
Played with them last time. It's okay.
It's, oh my god.
Hi guys,
This is us after swimming.
this is day 9.
100!
Backpacks are cute. Backpacks are cute.
I need to poop.
So many backpacks. You want
Whoa, they're working out together.
This is wet because when I opened it, it dropped to the floor.
After showering.
At pala pinidyohan mo.
Naliligo tayo mag-shower.
nung
Hey guys, can you
bumagsak
fund
yung-
me a slushy please? I need one right now.
Oh, wait, here.
Oh, may parang dirt sa camera ko.
Ethan!
Go, Judy.
Judy's adjust me.
Hi guys, pauwi na kami. Pauwi na.
Oh my god.
Hi, pauwi na kami.
Ay,
Show them.
we're going home.
From our beach walk.
Beach episode.
Yeah, fun swimsuit.
Train to Center Point will arrive at platform 1.
Agad yan. Hi guys, this is us after going to Kite Beach. Tired.
Okay, nawakan din ako
We're currently nasa Metro and Emirates Towers. 2 siomai. And I have seaweed in my bag.
Ha? Dinala pa rin yung seaweed?
Isa lang.
Asa ko, isa lang. Siyempre. Tapos isang tubig. Isang liter ng tubig. Lang. Lobat na eh.
Bye!